Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look who we have here. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so.
How have you been?
Well, I've been bored without you. Yes.
Hmm? So why are you glowing, huh?
Oh.
Looking so beautiful.
Well, let's say it's the handiwork of my husband, my darling husband.
No, you have to tell me the secret.
I am not joking, that's the truth. It's been your handwork.
Come here. So, are you home alone? Where's your maid?
Oh, she's gone to the markets.
Okay, how is she coping?
That girl, she's a whole lot of trouble, but we're managing. It's fine. Guess what?
Well?
I coincidentally prepared your favorite.
Really?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
So you turn and then I'll take you inside.
Okay then.
Let's go.
Freshen up and devour.
To the room.
Please to commence the production but depends on you.
Of course. Lest I forget. There is this particular guy I always see with your woman.
With my woman?
Yeah. I have spotted them severally on several occasions.
How is the guy?
Tall, hunky, and dark complexion. I've seen them severally, and I don't know. Well, I am only telling you so that you'd possibly find out, okay? I've seen them severally, and I don't know.
Wait, are you sure it's my woman?
Alex, did you just ask me that question?
No, because I just wanted to be sure that you know what you're telling me.
Alex, I don't know your woman. And like I said, I've seen her on this particular on several occasions. I don't know if it's a cousin, I just want to find out. Of course, I would have kept it to myself. I can imagine. Jeff, Alex, come on. It is an aberration in the accent. I'll be on my way.
Okay. Alright, bye. Has Junior ever visited you here before?
No, he hasn't. Why did you ask?
Nothing really. I just feel, he can come around to stay with you anytime I travel.
Oh, yes, I can have somebody stay here with me, but definitely not Junior. His trouble is too much.
If you say so. Can you get me something to eat?
I forgot I have a gluten as a husband. Let me get you something. Oh, my. Okay, darling. Your food is served. So go and eat. Or you want me to take it? Are you okay?
Who did you say was my love?
Oh, my phone. Oh, how could I forget? It's a friend. Yes, a friend. I knew him before we even met. I've had that number saved on my phone for a very long time. Come on, you know the way I like saving numbers. I have my king, my queen, and my prince on my phone, representing my father, my mother, and brother. So I just saved the name that way. It's nothing.
You saved a friend's number as my love. A guy, for that matter.
That's why I said it's been a long time.
What's my business with that? Change the name.
Oh. Okay.
What's my name saved as?
Your name is saved as my husband.
Change the name.
Done. So, he went to my phone. Does he even have the right to search me? So he went through my phone. Does he even have the right to search my phone? We are not married yet and he is showing me this kind of attitude. Couldn't he be searching my phone? Yeah. Oh, Achokwaramo. Hey, Pumpkin. How are you?
Fine, I'm trying to be fine.
What do you mean you're trying to be fine? What's wrong?
I will be going back to work tomorrow.
Tomorrow? For crying out loud, you just returned. When? It's like 2 days ago.
Oh yeah, I feel the same. It's urgent. My presence is needed at the office, so I got a call. Yeah.
Okay. It's understandable that you got a call. And that's the only reason I'm letting you go. But I want you to know that I miss you. I will miss you. Okay?
I won't miss you.
You won't miss me?
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute, Alex. Has this got anything to do with the number you saw saved on my phone as my love?
I cannot look at you, sadly. You are the reason I smile. You bring happiness to my soul.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
I mean, you give me peace of mind. You are everything my soul yearns for. If I can describe you in one word, then I would call you my life.
That is a beautiful thing to say. A very beautiful thing. But I still need you to explain to me why you said that. Why you said you won't miss me.
It's gonna be hard to survive without you. It's gonna be hard to swim this path without you by my side. You are everything I want and even more.
You know I love you, right?
And I love you too. But I'm afraid of losing you.
Oh.
Promise me that you will not forsake me.
No. I would not forsake you. I will love you forever. I love you very much, Alex. Very, very much.
Now come on, put a smile on that face. Be cheerful and have a drink and be happy. Have some.
So tell me, what will you get for me when you're coming? I don't want it. I brought it for you. Go ahead, have it.
No, I want you to drink from it.
You look like a baby.
I'm your baby.
Oh, really?
A drink.
You see the game of love is just like a fire. It keep on burning until it burns itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say where you are is where my heart belongs. just like a fire. It keep a burning until it burn itself out. The fire of true love can never be quenched by anybody. So even if you're shouting, it keep on burning. It can never be put off, and no matter what you do, my love for you is burning like a fire. That's why I say, where you are, is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. It is where my heart belongs. Whoa, in your hands, it's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. It's where my heart belongs. Whoa, if I'm to make another choice, I will choose another you. If I'm to be a queen, I won't think twice to make you my king. If I'm to describe you with only one word, I will say that you are life. The love is so strong, but they don't understand, no. Allow me to be with the one I love, and that is my wish. So even if you're
You're now okay. I'm not, doctor. Don't worry. You're fine. You won't understand. Then let me understand. Never mind.
I'm not here. I'll do it how you like it.
So you need to excuse me. I need to attend to my patient. How are you feeling today? Good.
Why?
I don't want to see that.
Why?
don't you want to see me?
Doctor, I don't want to see you.
Why don't you want to see me?
I don't want to see
and
you.
by His grace you are awake now. So why don't you want to see me?
Please, sir, can I have a word with you outside?
If there's anything you want to say, you say it here. I want to have a word with her as well.
Oh, you heard her. She doesn't want to see you.
If there's anything you want to say, you say it here. Doctor, she is my wife. Alright? My wife to be. Why are you telling me to do? If you want to say anything, say it. Is there anything to hide?
Please, she doesn't want to see you.
Please. You people, if you are giving her the drip, you can go. Let me talk to her. I'm here to talk to her.
Gentlemen, can you please respect yourself so that you can be respected? This is an hospital.
Respect myself, okay? What are you saying? I'm telling you that this is my wife to be, and you're telling me to respect myself. For what?
You do not want me to call the security on you.
Call security for me? Do you know I have the power to take her out of this hospital? No, do you know I have the power to take her out of here now?
You need to calm down. I was able to convince him. He's forgiving you. He's ready to take you in as a wife. He said that to you? Yes, he did.
I'm afraid I can't go back to you.
Listen, he told me something and I understood him. The first thing we need to do is apologize to him. We're all bound to temptation.
Do you have Glenvillage?
Yes, that's 75,000.
Okay, please get it for me.
What about you, sir?
Do you have Hennessy VSOP?
Yes, we have it. That's 75,000.
Okay, I need a chill bottle with ice.
Okay, sir.
Can I have an XO?
Okay, that was 120,000.
Yeah, that would suffice.
Okay. So, what do you give? Hello, sir.
Are you not getting for me? Is your AC not working? Let it so hot. No, you don't like me, eh? Just get me a bottle of water. Is your AC not working? Let it so hot.
Sir.
Please do. Get it. Look at the way I'm sweating. Wow. Brother-in-law, what's wrong?
You see, in this life, sometimes it's not in the nature of some persons to be wicked. Sometimes it's not their nature. It's what has happened to them in the past. Sometimes when you're good, even all your good attributes, people still hurt you. They still call you bad. They still call you shameless. And sometimes when you're bad, people still adore you. This life is funny. You know, there's a saying that it is men that make the evil in men rise. Now, this girl, of course, I'm not supposed to tell you, you're my friends, y'all are my boon companions, right? You know how I treated this girl. I showed this girl real love. Is it money? I made sure that this girl lacked nothing. I catered for her and her family. I gave her everything she wanted. I'm sure if you check her account, this girl has not less than 3 million naira. I gave her all the love. Now tell me, what is it she wanted? What is her problem? Is it clothing? Is it cars? Now, after all I did for this girl, she had the mind to do this to me. No, and you tell me people are not wicked?
Alex, your story is quite pathetic. Well, as it is, what are your plans?
You see, while we were coming here, I had so many thoughts on my mind. At some point, I thought of pulling the trigger on her forehead and shoot. No, to pay her back for what she did to me. No, how can she treat me like that? Well, but then I said, I'm not a murderer. That the only thing on my mind right now is I am going to make her sponsor our wedding.
What is that supposed to mean, Alex? How will she come and sponsor your wedding? How?
It's crazy, right? What you expect of me is to chase her out, leave my house, leave my life. But no. What makes you think the next girl won't be worse than her? I don't think that's the best approach. Now, the best approach for me is the part of the money that this girl has siphoned from me, she is going to sponsor the wedding.
So where do you think she's going to get this kind of money to sponsor a wedding?
She has to be hardworking. Sending her away and sponsoring the wedding are two different things. Yeah? You see, if you ask me, Alex, I would advise you keep some money. If you eventually insist, she sponsors the wedding.
I agree with Jeff. That's a good point.
Why'd you say so?
Alex, you know you're a popular figure. Hence, it will attract personalities. And I'm beginning to get perplexed how she would raise the kind of money that would shoulder the kind of guests that will attend your wedding.
When we get to the bridge, I'll definitely cross it.
Are you mad? Everything you were warned to stay away from that boy. You went to the city and you are mingling with him. Eh? Papa, look at what your stupidity has cost us. Give me that. Junior, leave me. Papa, leave this man. You might just enjoy. Leave me. Papa, what is all this nonsense? Eh? Inapwala? Cable? Who are you? Nonsense.
You had an elephant on your head, yet you went after a cricket. See, if this opportunity slips out from us, you will see what I will do to you. Just mark my words. Mark my words. Eh?
Biko, it wasn't intentional.
I don't want to hear.
It wasn't intentional. Just listen to yourself. You're nothing but a disgrace to this family. I am so disappointed at you.
Hey! Private jet, Mo. Private jet. Limousine. Hey! Look at our house. The big mansion they are supposed to build for me. Please stop murmuring me. Stop murmuring me. Eh? Men of higher caliber that I told you, I advised you to get. Inwete go quiet. Just look at how you let it slip off from you. Hey, private jet, Mo. Private jet, Mo. Limousine. Mansion. Try. I can't get nogide in this wretched house forever. You have disappointed me. Honestly, you have disappointed me. Chai! private jet, Mo. Jet.
From my highway. Hey, idiot. Organism.
Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care? What happened to the sweet memories that accompany love?
Okay. Your food is ready.
I don't want to eat.
Can I talk to you, please? Please, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay. I know how you feel. I understand your pain. I know it's not easy getting over this. Despite your pretense, you must have gotten over it. You have to be strong. For the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Sometimes we fail in life in order to do better in future. You don't have to be afraid that you have failed. Take it as a lesson. Please, okay.
Sandra, am I really a bad person?
No. Okay. Good things don't easily come to good people. If you're a bad person, I would have gone from this house long time ago. But for your sake, I'm still here. You won't understand, Jack.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
What happened to love? What happened to care?
Come
What
and
happened to
eat
the
much
sweet
later.
memories that
Your food.
No, I'll come and eat much later.
I am asking why me? Why do I fall victim all the time? Why can't I find someone that loves me? I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect. Every woman is the same. No perfect woman.
Someone called.
Thank you. Sandra. Sandra, I want to appreciate you today. Thank you for being there for me the little way you can. Thank you for being a younger sister. Thank you for the piece of advice. You are such an intelligent girl. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of the woman your parents trained you to become.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Please kindly have a seat. Let's chat. So I hope you don't mind if I ask you a few questions.
No, sir. I'm at your service, sir.
So I want to ask her, as a married woman, you came home and you meet your husband on your matrimonial bed with another woman, what would be your reaction?
Well, the case is by choice, because the way I will react to it is not the same way some other person would react. I would definitely be hurt as a human, but I will not fight, even though I know the lady involved will never go unpunished for coming into my matrimonial home. And as for my husband, I would forgive him after a long explanation because men ordinarily are polygamous by nature.
You will forgive him just like that?
Yes.
Oh. I see. Okay. Thank you. You can go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hello. I missed your call. Yeah, hello. Okay, so you ask him. Okay, let me call. Yeah.
I think there is a way out.
What way?
He would only agree to take me back if I sponsor the wedding.
Well, how do you intend to achieve that?
The estimated cost for the wedding is 5 million naira. I have 3 million naira in my possession.
Well, in that case, your mother and I will give you the remaining 1 million naira from the one he has been sending to us.
Okay.
Papa, there is still 1 million remaining.
Let us borrow from Mr. Donatus, the money lender, and use our remaining one land as collateral. You know we will make double the capital after the wedding.
Well, it's a good risk worth taking.
We wouldn't have been in this situation if not for your insensitive actions. You know that, right? Look at the mess you've gotten us into.
It's okay, calm down. What we should be thinking of now is for us to get solution.
Papa, what solution are you talking about when the money involved in this is quite a huge one?
With God, all things are possible.
Hey. Today is a big day for me. I must say. Yeah, little girl. I'm thinking of.
Alex! Alex! Hurry up! Don't keep the pastor waiting.
Yeah.
Let's create perfume memories today.
Oh, my guys are looking all this. You look dope, guys. Let's leave this place.
That's what's up.
Let's ball out, y'all. Let's see, man.
You look good. Thanks.
You look good. When we did ball out, we did.
Well, yeah, I should take a chill pill, right, and try not to be up in the hill. We're going out soon.
We are up already.
Last pastor.
So what's happening?
It's not like this.
Yeah.
See, we should be telling you what you're telling us now. You should be the one hurrying us off and not the other way around.
Come on, I know that.
Guys,
bro.
sit down when we drink now. Pastor wait for us.
No, listen up, bro. Don't worry. Take a chill pill, man. Don't be up in the hill. I'm on camel, man.
You maybe should stay on the
camel, man.
Make I tell you, marriage committee will come late. They will collect money from you.
I said, take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill, okay? We're leaving soon. Okay. So have fun, have some drinks.
If you say so, it's my day. Hey, but remember, if you go late, you pay a fine. Remember? Okay.
Guys, don't charge high.
I hope there's nobody in there.
Let's have fun. If it's something, have fun.
Let's pop something.
Yeah, man. We are big boys now. They will wait for us now. We pass like that. Relax, man. We're big boys.
So blame your people now. She will come to their beach.
Yes, you like being.
Okay. Look at that. It's gonna be a looking. Stop. Ready? You look good, man. You look good. Let's go from here. Right. Yeah.
Alex, we are supposed to be in church. Today's your wedding. So why are we here drinking?
Oh yes, you just said it all. It's my wedding and not yours. Okay, so I go whenever I'm deemed fit to go, right? Best man.
Hey, Alex, did you say dim feet?
Yeah.
Come on.
Alex, yeah. We're your friends. We're in a rightful position to direct you.
Okay.
Trying to guide you here. What's going on?
But I'm guided already. You don't need to guide me, right?
I mean, I don't get it. Are you okay? Like, have you lost it?
But even though I lose it, I'll find it, right? Hey guys, listen up. Enough of these attacks. The idea is for us to come here, have fun, drink up, and then we head out to church. Very simple.
Alex, you and I know that you're not fine. So why are you trying to sell us this crap? Tell us what is going on exactly.
I am fine. I just wanted to have fun, drink up before we head out for wedding. That's all.
Alex, what's your plan?
Alex, there's something you're not telling us. Please, go ahead. We are listening.
What are you people playing at? Nothing is wrong. Okay, we are here to have fun.
Alex,
it's my wedding.
Tell us your plans, please.
Hey, come on, best man. I have no plan. Seriously.
Like you want to be happy at your own detriment. What does that mean?
Oh, come on.
Look at this guy. Are you drunk?
Happiness on my wedding day.
See, Alex, there's something you're not telling us. Please, why don't you go ahead and tell us? We're your friends.
Guys, I beg. Enough of this English. You guys are my guys. The idea that make we have fun.
Wait, guys. Are we not supposed to be having this merriment after church? I don't get.
That's the problem. You see, me, I do not follow the trend. I do what I like to do anytime I want to do it. How I want it to be done is drink up, have fun, get high, and then go to church and put the ring on the damn finger and I take my wife home.
That is it.
You are just confusing everything. Like I said, we're supposed to be going for it, but there's not here. Imagine how stupid we are. We're here drinking. Alex.
Oh, it's my day. You're meant to have fun.
You won't bring yourself. That's supposed to be your way.
That's not all. Once this match is not all.
Are you sure you're okay?
You want to get me drunk, right?
Exactly.
You gotta get drunk to church.
Yes. Drunk to church. Drunk to church.
No, you will get drunk in love with your boo. So let's hurry up and go to church.
Okay, now you're talking. So you drink up, guys. Drink.
Hey. Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care? What happened to the sweet memories that accompany love? Hey, I am asking why me? Why do I fall victim all the time? Why can't I find someone that loves me? I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman. Hey, I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman.
Alex, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? If you knew you weren't going to get married, why did you have to put that through such shame? You made me wear a suit, guy. What's wrong with you, man?
Please, guys, have a seat.
For what? Have a seat for what then?
What's that stuff about? What's that stuff about?
First of all, I want to apologize for the inconveniences. But the truth is that I wanted her to feel the same pain I felt when I saw her with another man. I wanted her to spend all the dime she made from me before I kick her out like a piece of crap. I'm certain that she's as broke as I met her, if not more than. You see, I divided my salary for this girl to make sure she's comfortable. Something I haven't done for even my own parents. I did all of that for her. What did I get in return? Betrayal. I showed this girl real love. All she did was siphoning money from me, having an affair with another man. So once again, I apologize because you all are innocent of this plan. I'm sorry for clothing you all in my shit and stuff, but I was humiliated, downcasted, insulted, all in the name of genuine love. I'm sorry, guys.
This is a Sicilian plan. We'll call it the Mafian attack.
Come on, guys. But you're supposed to tell us about this whole arrangement. I don't understand. What kind of embarrassment is this?
Man, unless you finished this plan, it's too bad. Can you imagine? We're not so stupid enough not to understand what was going on. Eh? Considering the fact that we didn't see any member of your family here. Man, you are good.
So Alex, where is the poor girl?
Where is she? I instructed my security men not to let her in or any member of her family, so I believe she should be somewhere.
Are you for real? This is unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.
Yeah, you won't beat me. Okay, I just told you what happened and I apologized. This girl fooled me. I mean, I'm just telling the story like this. If you see what she did to me, once again, I'm sorry for the inconveniences. Sorry.
I like it.
It's all good, guys. It's all good. Come on. Let's forget whatever happened.
Stress. This is not the time.
Let's drink up. Let's drink up.
This is not the time for merriment. Excuse me.
Let's drink up and forget about what happened. Okay?
Let's start for once. Let me
Oh, really? You guys just want us to
start? Come on, let's drink, man. Let's drink.
No! Madam! Go. My Oga say he no want to see you here.
Owen, please, just open the gate. I just need to talk to him. Just open.
You no need to talk to anybody. Go. Since you say better thing no good for you, go. Ajonwani, go! Ajonwani.
Owen!
Go! Leave this place, go!
Just open the gate.
Who you dey tell?
Owen!
I don't want my Oga come in mother. He talk with his mouth.
Owen, okay, just a minute, just open the gate.
You no get any minutes. No, we no
Owen!
get. It's sure my Oga don't travel. Bye.
Owen!
No, bye.
Owen!
Madam. See this woman say, give me my money, because they cry. Come, madam. Give me my money now. What do you? Give me my money. I go scatter this way where this because they cry for you. Let me come and give me my money. Come over here. I don't want to come to my time for you. Give me my money.
Loving you has been a very special moment in my life. Love you.
From the depth of my heart, I truly love you too.
No, I love you more. I adore you. Thank you for coming into my life.
I'm glad you fell in love with me. You're the reason I breathe. From the first day you came into my life, I haven't stopped thinking about you. There is nothing on earth more important to me than your smile.